Hello, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 306th episode and the 5th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2019. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious, mouth-watering apple cinnamon muffins. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It is full of apple and cinnamon flavor. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And we're going to put a brown sugar cinnamon streusel topping on top. To give it a nice little crunch. And these would be great to serve for your upcoming fall breakfast or brunch. Everybody will fall in love with these muffins. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Apple recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your flour, your cinnamon, and your basket sugar because we're about to do some apple picking and bake some apple cinnamon muffin magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1½ cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in a ½ cup of white sugar and a ½ cup of packed light brown sugar. Give that a quick whisk until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, now it's time to add in the other ingredients. 1/3 cup of apple sauce. I'm using the cinnamon flavor. 1 egg at room temperature. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And 1/3 cup of apple cider. And this is my homemade apple cider. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. And all we do is stir all these ingredients together until it's well incorporated. And for the last ingredient, we're going to add in 2 medium apples that are cored, peeled, and cut into chunks. I'm using Granny Smith, or you can use any type of apple. And then all we do is just stir everything together until it's well incorporated. Smells good. I love apple and cinnamon. Incredible combination. I can smell the applesauce and the apple cider. Smells wonderful. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring up the muffin batter. Now we're ready to scoop our muffins into the pan. We're going to scoop them into 12 muffin liners. So using my ice cream scoop, we're just going to scoop the muffin batter to about 3/4 of the way up. Just like that. Alright, my friends, I got all my muffins together. Doesn't that look pretty with the apple chunks on top? Alright, that looks great. So now for the final step, we're going to add in the streusel. And I had some streusel left over from another recipe that I just put it in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to use that. I'm just going to sprinkle the streusel on top of the muffins. And I'll put the streusel recipe down below in the description box. Alrighty, my friends, now we're ready to put our apple cinnamon muffins in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 400-degree oven and we're going to let them bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my apple cinnamon muffins out of the oven. It smells awesome in this kitchen. Alright, so now we're going to let them cool for a few minutes and then I'll plate them up. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Apple cinnamon muffins. Don't they look pretty? Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. moist. The apple's nice and tender. I love the streusel on top, gave it a nice crunch. Bursting with apple cinnamon goodness. Please give this recipe a try. These are scrumptious. Look at that texture. This deserves another bite. Apple Cinnamon Muffin-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!